Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we take a look at comedian and writer Josh Johnson, one of the brightest voices in stand-up comedy today. Many fans have wondered about his personal life and whether he's gay. Let's find out. Josh Johnson was born on the 6th of March, 1990, in Alexandria, Louisiana. He studied at Centenary College before moving to New York, where his sharp wit and storytelling style made him a standout performer. He joined The Daily Show as a writer in 2017 and quickly became known for his clever, insightful humor. Over the years, Josh has released multiple comedy specials and albums, toured internationally, and even launched the Josh Johnson Show podcast. His comedy often touches on life, relationships, and the struggles of being an introvert in a loud world. When it comes to his sexuality, Josh Johnson has not publicly identified as gay. In fact, he's spoken about having a long-term girlfriend named Sally in his stand-up routines and interviews. There's no record of him coming out or identifying as part of the LGBTQ+ community. Josh is known for keeping his personal life very private, preferring to let his work speak for itself. While rumors sometimes circulate online, there's no verified information to suggest he's gay. As of now, Josh Johnson continues to perform across the U.S. and work on creative projects. He's remained a regular voice in modern comedy, combining sharp social commentary with relatable humor. Despite fame, Josh stays grounded and avoids controversy, maintaining a clean public image and a loyal fan base. So, to answer the question, no, Josh Johnson has not come out as gay. He's focused on his comedy career, writing, and performing while keeping his private life out of the spotlight. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite stars and where they are now.